Today we learn how to round according to a given number of decimal places. We will follow these 4 steps. So our first question, round 3.675 to 2 decimal places. Step 1, circle the decimal place value. So we see our second decimal place is where the 7 is. Step 2, underline the next decimal place value. Step 3, the underlined value is 5 or more, so we have to round up the circled value. That means our 7 will become an 8. And our last step, the final rounded value must have no digits after the circled rounded value. We use the approximately equal sign. The value is approximately 3.68 with no digits after the 8. Next example, we circle the third decimal place value. We underline the next value. That value is 4, which is less than 5, so we do not round up, we round down. The 5 stays as 5, we round down. Now, sometimes in these values we will have 9s. This is a little bit trickier, but you should understand after a few examples. Round 1.696 to 2 decimal places. We follow the same steps. The second decimal place is a 9. We circle it. The next value is a 6. That means we need to round up. The 9 has now changed to a 10, and that's why we have the 0 in 10. And I carry 1 across to the next digit, which is 6. It is a non-9 digit, so I raise 6 by 1, and I get 1.7. And there is my rounded value to 2 decimal places. Next example, we see our third decimal place value. We circle that. The next value we underline. It is a 5, so we have to round up. Now, again, carrying the 1 to the left, we have to be careful with this. Working directly underneath, the circled 9 has now become a 10. So I write the 0 of 10, and the 1 carries across. So it carries across, but now 9 plus 1 is 10, so I write another 0. And the 1 again jumps across to the next 9. So again, the 1 jumps across to the 0 at the front. And we have our rounded value, 1.000. Progress check. Have a go yourselves, then check your answers with mine. First example, we circle the 3, our second decimal place. We underline the 4. Well, 4 is less than 5, so the 3 will remain as 3. We round down. No digits after the 3, and we're done. Next example, 2 decimal places. So I circle my 5. The next digit is an 8. We underline it. 8 is more than 5, so of course we must round up. The circled 5 will go up to 6. And there are no digits after the 6. We are done. Next example, 3 decimal places. We circle the third decimal place, the 7. We underline the 9. 9 is more than 5. We must round up. So this value is approximately 108.58, and we raise 7 by 1, 8. Last example, 3 decimal places. I circle the 9. Next digit is a 5. I underline it. Well, 5 or more means we round up. So we have to be careful with this. Underneath the 9, 9 is going up to 10, so I write a 0. I carry the 1 across, so 0 is increased by 1, and then I still have my other digits at the front. And there is my approximate value, 2.910. And that is a wrap. Just remember, guys, we follow these 4 steps, and we now also know how to deal with 9s. Hey guys, this is Casey at Onetreemath. If you like the content, please remember to like and subscribe. Also, if you'd like some online tutoring, please email me at onetreemath@gmail.com. Cheers.